Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to use the Snow.io extension and how to install this extension on a browser, and then how you can use this Snow.io tool to get the email address where you want to apply a job. So let's start guys. Open any browser. Here I'm using the Google Chrome and you can use this on any of your browser, and go to Google search and type Snow.io extension. Here I already got it open, and click on the Chrome Web Stores link. Click on here, and now you will see the Add to Chrome option here on the right hand side. So click on Add to Chrome. So it is processing, and then click on Add Extension. Then might take some time. So it's done. So if you are new to this Nob.io, then you need to fill up your detail, first name, last name, email address, and phone number and password. Otherwise, you can straightly click on the sign up with Google account, and then everything will be done easily. So here I have already an account, so I will go to login, but you can fill up these details, and which is very easy. So click on login here and sign in with Google. I got my email address. So that's how easy it is. And now it's ready to work. So now we can close this one, and then we can search here on the Google. I will show you how we can use this to find the email address. So I'm an IT student, so I am looking for IT company around me. So let's find I'm on Darwin, best IT COMPAN companies in Darwin, Australia. So it will show the list of the companies, Area 9, NEC, and then we will True Blue, Area 9, One IT Service, Radical System, and let's check our, and let's open their website on the new tab. And as you open the website, go to the extension and click on our email.io finder, and then it will start its job. So yeah, so they got a three email address: info, Rafat, and Sohaib. So these are and you can add this on this Snow.io as well. And then you can manually copy these things and paste on your Excel sheet where you want to create your follow-up list. And also not only this one, we can go through the next website as well. It's very easy, just a click and everything will be pop up. So click on extension, click on Snow.io, and it will give you the list of all. Look at this, all the list we got, and you can add to lists. You can save them by putting the like a list here. Either you want to create a new list. Here you can do ITCOM PANI companies in Darwin list, and then you can save it. You don't have to do it later, and then you can go to Sonop.io and see those lists. I will not say 100% it will work on 100 every company, but it works on the majority of the company websites. So guys, try this one and make your proper follow-up list which company you want to apply for a job. So see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.